What's up, guys? You seriously need to see this best folding electronic scale. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it feels solid and premium. The attention to detail on this specific model is stunning. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. They are selling out fast. See the deal in the bio and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.